Communication in English is not so difficult, but speaking English without grammar mistake is also not so easy. Native speakers, that is people, foreigners whose mother tongue is English, they can speak English fluently and flawlessly. And again, like this, the small children can also speak their mother tongue without any grammar mistake. This is natural. For the business people, communication is important, not the grammar. They have to convey what they want to convey, that's all. But for the professionals and the educationists, the grammar also plays an important role in their life. Before going into this topic, we all should know a subject, verb and object in a sentence. Let us see. I shall write some sentences on the board. You have to find out the subject, verb and object. Sheila eats an apple. Here, Sheila is the subject, eats is the verb, an apple is the object. Here, I bought a car. I subject, bought verb, a car object. We subject, played verb, cricket object. He subject, will write verb, a poem object. She subject, sings verb, a song object. We subject, are collecting verb, money object. After becoming thorough with the identification of the sentence pattern, we shall come to see tenses. There are 12 different kinds of sentences: present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, then past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future tense, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Now I shall give you some sentences. You have to underline the verb and identify the tenses. Mano is teaching English. Mano is subject. His teaching is the verb. English is the object. His teaching is the verb and it is present continuous tense. It is present continuous tense. Prabha inspired the students. Prabha, it is a subject. Inspired verb, it is past tense. Students object. Love generates life. Love subject. Life object generates, it is a verb. It is in present tense. We can accomplish amazing things. We subject, can accomplish verb. Amazing things object. Can accomplish present tense. Now let us learn about the verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Present tense, past tense and past participle. Add, added, added. You already have studied in lower classes. Love, love, love. Study, studied, studied. Learn, learned or learnt, learned. Build, built, built. Sing, sang, sung. Write, wrote, written. Take, took, taken. See, saw, seen. Know, knew, known. Speak, spoke, spoken. Eat, ate, eaten. Give, gave, given. Teach, taught, taught. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Beat, beat, beaten. Put, put. Read, read, read. Hide, hid, hidden. Meet, met, met. Understand, understood, understood. We shall see the rules for changing a sentence from active voice to passive voice. The first rule, I write a story. I, this is a subject, write, it is a verb, present tense. A story, it is an object. Here, subject plus verb 1 plus object will take the place of the subject and subject will take the place of the object. So, object, a story, then here we have to change this according to the object. Object a story. We cannot write a story am, a story are. So is apt. A story is. What is the third verb for write? Write, wrote, written. So a story is written by me. I will be changed into me. A story is written by me. I write a story, active voice. A story is written by me, passive voice. She, example 2, she eats apples. Apples, it is the plural form. So apples are eaten by her. Here, object apples, are is suitable to this object. So apples are. Third verb for eat, ate, eaten, or eaten by her. She will change into her. Then third example, he beats me. I takes the place of the subject. Near I am only can come. I am beat, third word, beaten. So I am beaten by, he will change this into him. I am beaten by him. When you change a sentence from active to passive, in a sentence in which there is past tense, we have to do like this. Was verb, was or verb, was or verb. As usual, object and subject take alternative places, and was were according to the object. If the object is singular, we add was. If the object is plural, we add were. So she ate apples. Apples were eaten by her. Apples were eaten by her. Now we shall see how to change a sentence from active to passive when the tense is in future tense. He write a story. A story will be written by him. He will write a story. See the formula? Yes plus V plus O plus shall or will plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus yes. He will write a story. A story will be written by him. A story will be written by him. They will beat us. Here, if the object is us, it will be when it becomes a subject, we comes. The we and I, we have to add shall instead of will. Instead of will, we can add shall. We shall be beaten by them. They will beat us. We shall be beaten by them. Next, present continuous. He is eating an apple. Here S plus V plus O becomes O plus am or is or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by and yes. An apple is being eaten by him. Next example, they are building houses. Houses plural. So houses are being built by them. Houses are being built by them. Next example, she is praising me. Object I. So with the object I, we add am. She is praising me. I am being praised by her. I am being praised by her. Past continuous. She was reading a book. A book is the object, it is singular object. So S plus V plus O plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus yes. A book was being read by her. Next, a book was being read by her. He was singing songs. Songs plural form. So we add were. Songs were being sung by him. Songs were being sung by him. Now we shall see how to change a sentence from active to passive when the given tense is in present perfect. Here is an example. I have done the work. I subject have done present perfect work object. Yes, plus V plus O gives O plus has or have. Here, if the tense is present perfect, we have to add has or have with the object and then been plus V3 and by plus S. So, the work has been done. We use has because the work is singular. The work has been done by me. I have done the work. The work has been done by me. We have bought mangoes. Mangoes have been bought by us. Mangoes plural, so we use have. Mangoes have been bought by us. She has answered all the questions. All the questions plural. All the questions have been answered by me. He has bought a car. He has bought a car. A car has been bought by him. Car singular, so we use has. A car has been bought by him. Now we shall pass on to the past perfect tense. If the sentence has past perfect verb, how to change? Let us see. She had drawn the pictures. She had drawn the pictures. Subject plus verb past perfect plus object gives object plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus is. For singular and plural, we use the same had. The pictures had been drawn by her. She had drawn the pictures. The pictures had been drawn by her. She had inspired him. He had been inspired by her. He had been inspired by her. Future perfect. I shall go to future perfect. She will have done the sums. The sums will have been done by her. The sums will have been done by her. I shall give you some exercise and recollect what we have studied. She has met her teacher. She has met her teacher. Her teacher has been met by her. Her teacher has been met by her. Love generates life. Love generates life. It is singular. So life is generated by love. Life is generated by love. He was interviewing a man. Here it is past continuous. A man was being interviewed by him. A man was being interviewed by him. Shanti is writing a story. Here it is in present continuous. So a story is being written by Shanti. A story is being written by Shanti. I saw my friend. The verb is past tense. My friend was seen by me. She has forgotten that matter. The matter has been forgotten by her. If there are, now we shall see how to change from active to passive if there are two objects. If there are two objects, example, I gave him a pen. I subject gave verb to him one object and a pen another object. There are two objects here, him and pen. We can use any object, indirect object or direct object as subject. I gave him a pen. He take this object. He was given a pen by me, or a pen was given to me. A pen was given to him by me. To him by me. Here we should remember he changes it to him, she, her, I, me, they, them, we, us, you. How to change the question sentences? Who taught English? Who taught English? If the word, if the question word is who, we have to add by whom. We have to change the who into by whom. By whom was English taught? By whom was English taught? What do you study? What do you study? It is in present tense. What is studied by you? What is studied by you? Other sentences, sometimes it may be an order sentence or it may be a request sentence. If it is an order sentence, example, open the door. Let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. Or you can write in this way also. You are ordered to open the door. You are ordered to open the door. If a sentence implies request, example, please give me water, we have to write like this. You are requested to give water to me. You are requested to give water to me.